Blood sugar fluctuations have a profound impact on teenage mood and behavior. When teenagers consume foods high in refined sugars and simple carbohydrates, their blood glucose levels spike rapidly and then crash dramatically. In contrast, a balanced diet with complex carbohydrates creates more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. These blood sugar fluctuations directly impact teenage behavior in several ways. When blood sugar drops rapidly, a condition known as reactive hypoglycemia, the body releases stress hormones as an emergency response. These stress hormones, including cortisol and adrenaline, can manifest as anxiety, aggression, or emotional outbursts in teenagers. The solution is maintaining stable blood sugar levels through a balanced diet with three key components. Complex carbohydrates, healthy proteins, and beneficial fats work together to provide steady energy release, preventing the dramatic spikes and crashes. By maintaining stable blood sugar levels, teenagers experience more consistent mood and behavior, reducing emotional volatility and improving focus. Nutritional deficiencies during adolescence can significantly impact cognitive function and behavior due to the brain's high nutritional demands during this critical development period. Five key nutrients play vital roles in teenage brain development and cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain cell structure and neural communication. Deficiency can lead to increased aggression, impulsivity, and serious mood disorders. Iron deficiency, especially common in teenage girls, affects oxygen transport to the brain, resulting in fatigue, reduced attention span, and impaired cognitive performance. B vitamins are crucial for neurotransmitter production and energy metabolism in the brain. Deficiencies affect mood regulation, potentially leading to depression, irritability, and mood swings. Zinc plays a crucial role in neurogenesis and neurotransmitter regulation. When deficient, teenagers may experience problems with learning, memory, and even altered taste perception. Vitamin D supports nerve cell development and has hormone-like properties in the brain. Deficiency, which is increasingly common in teenagers, is associated with cognitive decline and mood disorders. The teenage years represent a critical window for brain development. Nutritional deficiencies during this time can have amplified effects, potentially leading to cognitive and behavioral issues that may persist if not addressed. Highly processed foods containing artificial additives have been associated with hyperactivity and attention problems in teenagers. Additives like sodium benzoate, artificial food colorings such as red 40 and yellow 5, and MSG may trigger behavioral changes in sensitive individuals. The Southampton study found that mixtures of certain food dyes and preservatives increased hyperactivity in children and adolescents. In contrast, whole, unprocessed foods generally support more balanced behavior patterns. Reducing consumption of artificial additives and highly processed foods may improve behavior and attention in sensitive individuals. Adequate protein consumption is crucial for teenagers' brain function and behavior. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, which serve as the essential building blocks for neurotransmitters that regulate mood and behavior. The brain relies on specific amino acids to produce key neurotransmitters that influence teenage behavior. Tryptophan, found in foods like turkey, eggs, and cheese, is converted into serotonin, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. Similarly, tyrosine found in dairy, meat, and legumes is essential for producing dopamine, which affects motivation and reward pathways. Insufficient protein intake can lead to neurotransmitter imbalances in teenagers, causing several behavioral issues. These include mood swings, increased irritability, difficulty concentrating, and even depression and anxiety. To maintain neurotransmitter balance, teenagers should consume adequate protein daily, approximately 0.85 grams per kilogram of body weight. Research-backed dietary approaches can help improve teenage behavior. The Mediterranean diet has been associated with better mental health outcomes in adolescence. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Research shows that following this diet can lead to significant improvements in adolescent behavior and mental well-being. Eliminating artificial additives and reducing sugar intake often improves behavior in sensitive individuals. By removing artificial colors, preservatives, and excessive sugar from a teenager's diet, many parents report significant behavioral improvements. Increasing omega 3 fatty acids through fish, walnuts, and flax seeds may reduce aggression and improve mood. These essential fatty acids are critical for brain function and have been shown to regulate neurotransmitters that affect mood and behavior. Studies show that omega 3 supplements can reduce aggressive behavior by up to 30% in some adolescents. Working with healthcare providers to identify potential food sensitivities can lead to significant behavioral improvements in some teenagers. The process involves several steps to identify and eliminate problem foods. Common sensitivities include dairy, gluten, artificial food colors, and certain preservatives. These can trigger behavioral issues in susceptible individuals. Studies show that up to 30% of children and teenagers may have behavioral responses to certain foods, though individual results vary significantly. To successfully implement dietary interventions, consider working with healthcare professionals, making gradual changes, prioritizing whole foods, and tracking results systematically. Remember that dietary changes are just one part of a comprehensive approach to supporting teenage behavior and mental health.